Okay, so question number 4. When Peter's age is divided by 2, 3, or 5, there is always a remainder of 1. So if you recall the autumn term lesson 10 stuff, this is the common remainder situation. And we have a common remainder of 1. But when divided by 7, there is a remainder of 5. So that means if we think of a way to get rid of this remainder 1, meaning we take away 1 from the number we have, then it will be divisible by 2, by 3, and by 5. In other words, it will be a common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. So we need to find the common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. To do that, we can first find the common multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6, because 2 and 3 are coprimes. And then we find the common multiple between 5 and 6, and because 5 and 6 are also coprimes, so it's just taking the product between the two numbers. So the common multiple, the LCM, the lowest common multiple, among 2, 3, and 5 is going to be 30. Okay, so this is the number we want, but the number we actually have always gives us a remainder of 1. So meaning it is 1 more than the number we want. Yeah, the number we have is 1 more than the number we want. So the number we have is 30 plus 1, 31. Okay, so this is one of the possible values of the number we have. How do we pin down which is the exact number we have? Because the common multiple of 2, 3, and 5, there are lots of them. As long as it's a multiple of 30, it will be a common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. 30 is just the lowest, yeah? That's the meaning of L. So it can be 30, can be 60, can be 90, can be 120, can be 150, can be lots of different numbers, as long as it's a multiple of 30. So the way to pin down requires us to make use of this information right here. So when it is divided by 7, there will be a remainder of 5. This is the if another way to understand this sentence is that if we add 2 to the number, it will be divisible by 7. This will be useful in later problems. So it's good that you get familiar with this supplement. Yeah, that's what it's called. Supplement. So we add 2 to these numbers and see which one of them will be divisible by 7. So 30. We need to first add 1 to all of these numbers because the number we have divided by 7 will have a remainder of 5. Right. So we need 31, 61, 91, 121, and 151. So these numbers, when divided by 7, should give us a remainder of 5. Or, in other words, if we add 2 to these numbers, they should be divisible by 7. Okay, so we have 33 over here, 63, 93, then 123, and 153. Right? So which of these are divisible by 7? Well, it's pretty obvious. It's 60. It's 63. So Peter's age will be 61 over here.